Hi everyone, welcome back to AI Incarnation. Ever struggled with extracting data from a purchase order and converting it to an Excel sheet? Well, in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to do it using Lido, a smart AI-driven tool that automates this entire process. Lido doesn't just extract data, it understands your document and figures out exactly what you need. Imagine you are an operations manager handling dozens of POs daily. Each PO contains multiple line items, product names, quantities, and prices. And you need to manually extract this data into an Excel sheet. Tedious, right? And prone to errors as well. What if I told you there is a way to do this in seconds with zero errors? Let me show you how to do it. First, we'll simply go to Lido, sign in with your enterprise email ID, and you will be in the dashboard. So here you can click on New File, and we will simply upload the PDF that we want to extract using PDF tools, PDF data extractor, and we will upload the file that we want to extract data from. Lido is smart enough to recognize that data is a purchase order and automatically figures out the most relevant columns from the data. For example, in this case, Lido has automatically identified the item description, item quantity, item unit price, item total price, PO date, purchase order number. So these are the columns that Lido has automatically extracted for us. Okay, so Lido has extracted the item description, item quantity, item unit price, item total price, the PO date, and purchase order number. So these are the columns that Lido has already extracted for us. If you want to add or remove a column, you can simply do it using this columns tab and enter the column. For example, I want vendor details as well. So I'll simply say vendor and I'll hit enter. Column is added here. If you want, you can give some extra instructions. For example, format the PO date as month, date, and year format and ensure that the numerical values are extracted without currency symbols. If you don't want any currency symbols, you can simply put that in the extra instructions and it will be handled. Since our PO has multiple line items, we need to make sure that each item is extracted separately. That's where this feature comes in, extract multiple rows per document. By enabling this, we ensure that each line item gets its own row in the spreadsheet while keeping the shared values such as PO number, PO date, and vendor. Once we have finalized the columns that we want in our data, we can simply click on Process All Files. There you go. You can see all the data is extracted in the desired format that you want. We have used the PO date should be as month, day, and year, and you can see that PO date is month, day, and year. That is the format which we have specified in the extra instructions, and we have ensured that the numerical values are extracted without currency symbols. So you can see that we don't have any currency symbols in the unit price and total price. What if your file contains multiple POs? No problem. You can instruct Lido to treat each PO separately and ensure data is extracted correctly for each single line item in every PO. This makes bulk processing super easy, right? We'll give it a name as PO data. Once everything looks good, it's time to export this data. Just click on File, click on Export Values to Excel, and boom. You can see that your structured PO data is now in a clean and well organized spreadsheet. No more manual data entry, just instant accurate Excel files. You can see how accurate it is. It has extracted all the data from the PDF and given us the desired format. And that's it. In just few clicks, we have taken a messy PO file and turned it into a structured Excel sheet, effortlessly using Lido. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to AI Incarnation for more AI-powered automation tips. Have a question? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.